Hi, this is Harish. I'm from Ananthapur, which is in Andhra Pradesh state. But currently, I'm staying in Bangalore location. And my educational details is I have completed my graduation in the year of 2022 in Internship of Science and Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. After completed my graduation, while searching for a job, my friend recommended to Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. It is a IT recruitment and consulting company, and I joined their full-day job internship programming with the help of good experience and mentors. I learned a lot of things and important skills like ITIL and CCNA, networking, and also Linux, cyber securities, Windows administration, Windows installation, troubleshooting, how to joining domains and creating new user profiles, how to join router to router. Lot of things I learned in Evision Techno Private Limited, and Evision was the best decision for my career because they are providing top-notch training and the good experience and trainer providing incredible support and guiding me every step of the way. And also recently I got a one offer from TCS. It is a big MNC company. So I got a good offer in the I got offer in TCS. My date of joining also mentioned they were released. I'm joining at March 25th in TCS. They're providing me good salary also. I'm thankful to Evision Technoserve for this opportunity and highly recommended to if anyone looking for a jobs for good training and career guidance. I am recommended to please join Evision Technoserve Limited. They will give top-notch training, and they're providing everything how to crack your interviews in daily basis. They will providing everything. Thank you, Eugene. Thank you for giving who are helping to me in the Eugene. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.